Hi guys, welcome to my channel Passive Income 101. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can create a new campaign for Google Ads. As you can see, one of my campaigns are already running and it's running good. So I have already have 23 signups and 23 conversions. Alright, so it's running pretty good and it's a low budget campaign. So I'm going to show you how exactly you can do that and get lots of conversions. So first click on new campaign. Our goal is website traffic to generate conversions, so click on website traffic, and if you're a beginner just click on search. So every time someone searches for the product you are promoting, your ad will show up on the top of the page. Next, what you need to do is post the link of the website or the landing page that you are using. So I use system.io for creating landing pages and automations because it's one of the best softwares out there, because you can create funnels, create workflows, create newsletter campaigns, create your own webinar and everything. It's an all-in-one software to become one of the best affiliate marketers in the industry. All right, so if you use this system.io software, I'm sure you can get a lot of conversions because it's a all-in-one software. Let me show you the pricing real quick. You have a free plan, you can try that, and after you get a lot of conversions you can upgrade to the starter plan or webinar plan, whatever you want, or enterprise plan. It's just $27 a month. And if you see my other videos on how to do affiliate marketing using Pinterest, Instagram and YouTube shorts, I'm sure you can use those methods to get a lot of conversions. So check out those videos, the link will be in the description. And if you want to build a high converting landing page, just use system.io. The link of system.io will be in the description. Check it out guys. Okay, so for now we'll click on funnels, and then we'll click on one of the funnels that I've built, like the 21-day smoothie diet plan. It's a product from Clickbank that I am promoting, so we'll just choose that and click here to copy the link of the landing page. Go back to our Google Ads campaign and just click Ctrl V to paste it, then click on continue. So this part is very important guys, so just focus. So for the budget part, if you are just starting, you can do like 300 to 400 per day. So what will happen is that Google will just use 300 to 400 rupees of your budget per day, right? And you can also set the date on from which start date to end date you want the campaign to run. And the next part for this is bidding. So the bidding part is important guys. So on the basis of which bidding value you want to use, Google will give you the viewers on that basis. All right, so if you click on conversions, Google will give you viewers who are likely to convert into customers. But if you are a beginner and you don't have any conversion data in your Google Ads account, so a conversion will not be as efficient as those who have conversion data in their Google Ads account, because conversions need for conversion Google Ads need data on conversions. So just you first, if you are a beginner, use clicks. So every time someone clicks on your ad and watches it, they can buy your product. All right, so and then you need to set up a conversion the conversion for data in your Google Ads account. In the next video I'm going to show you how you can do that. And once you get a lot of conversions, like 30 to 40 conversions, you can change from clicks to conversions. So because now you have a lot of conversions, right? So now you can upgrade to conversions and uh, then proceed from there. So now, for now, we click on clicks, and it's very important to set a maximum cost per click bid limit, or Google will use as much money as it can per bid or per click. All right, so for example I'm giving rupees 30 per bid limit, click per cost, or sorry, cost per click. That means Google will be using somewhere around 30 per bid for your campaign. All right, then click on next. So just exclude this display network as it's not important. And countries, I generally prefer USA and UK. You can run your ads in any country you want, but I generally prefer USA and UK. So we'll click on enter another location, and then just type in USA here. Select USA, right? And then on in the location options, instead of this first option, select the presence people regularly in your targeted locations. Right, the first option is people in regularly in or who have shown interest in your target location. So people outside USA can also view your product, so we don't want that. All right, so just select the second option, presence. So people who are in USA will be viewing your ad. Typing language, you can just keep it English, then click on next. So now what we need to do is add keywords. So as we can see, Google has already analyzed my landing page and has given some keywords, so we'll be going with these keywords only. All right, and so we need to exclude some of the small keywords like two word or one word keyword, as they are very broad, so they can be a loss for your campaign. Like the smoothie, will exclude this. Then some that smoothie diet 21 days, we'll exclude this, it's not very specific. Then smoothie making, will just exclude this, because someone who is searching smoothies to make smoothies is necessarily not in the weight loss criteria. Alright, then diet smoothies is alright. Meal replacement smoothies, diet smoothies, yeah, rest of the keywords are perfect. And next, what you can do is create the ad, which is the main part of your campaign. Alright, so first we need to create a headline. The headline, this part in the headline. Alright, so we'll just write 21 day smoothie diet plan. Alright, just add some more keywords to this. Smoothie dieting and something like smoothies for weight loss. So as you can see, the three headlines are visible here in this part. Next, we have to create descriptions. So we'll create something like lose up to 30 lbs in 21 days drinking smoothies. So it's a catchy line, so description should be a little catchy so that the customers just don't scroll through your ad, they click on your ad actually. And here in the next part we can write 2-month money back guarantee. So if your product comes with a money back guarantee, you can add that to your description, because that attracts more customers. And that's it guys, it's all done. As you can see, our ad is ready. We have set the budget, the locations, the bid strategies and everything. Next thing is just click on next, and click on next again. So as you can see, it's saying low traffic expected. So if it says low traffic expected, you have to bid a little more. Like we have bid like 300 days, 300 rupees per day. You have to do it like 600 or 500, because the smoothie diet is a very competitive industry. All right, you can do that, or you can select another product that has low competitiveness in the industry and promote that. So bid per cost per click should have been like 50 rupees, 60 rupees. So I will do that. So cost per click should be 60 rupees in order to get some conversions. All right, let's set it to 60. Go back to review, and as you can see, it has increased to 4. So the more you invest in the Google ads, more you can get out of it. And then click on publish campaign. So our campaign is now published and it's live, guys. So it's learning the bid strategy. Normally it takes 5 to 6 days to get some conversions, right? Don't be in a hurry, just keep some patience and just deal with it. All right, in 5 to 6 days you will be seeing a lot of conversions from this, guys. All right, so that's it for today. I showed you how you can create a very successful Google ad campaign, and check out the system.io landing page builder software. It has a lot of benefits, guys. If you want to be a good affiliate marketer, you should definitely use this software. And also check out my videos on how to become a good affiliate marketer using Pinterest, Instagram, and YouTube Shorts. All right, and if you like this video, please subscribe and like my channel. So that's it for today. Thank you, guys.